How are you today?
We are fine, thank you.
Welcome to our storytelling content.
Hello, my name is Agatha.
And my name is Dian.
Today we will listen to a fairy tale.
Yay! Let's go! Does anyone know what picture this is?
That is a frog and buffalo.
Yes, this is a frog.
And this is a buffalo.
What color is the frog's body?
A frog is green.
Yes, that's right, it's green. Okay. Where the frogs like to live?
Frog like to live in water.
Yes, frogs like to live in places near water, such as rice ponds and swamps. They like wet places so their skin stay moist.
What color is the buffalo's body?
Buffalo's body is black.
Yes, that's right. The buffalo body is black.
The buffalo like to eat grass or fruit. Buffalo itu suka makan rumput atau buah ya.
Buffalo like to eat grass.
That's right. Buffalo like to eat grass. Benar teman-teman, jadi kerbau suka makan rumput.
Okay friends, today we will listen to a fairy tale about the frog that admires the buffalo. Okay, anyone curious about the story? Once upon a time, there was a frog. Let's call him Mr. Fat. What was the name of the frog earlier, kid?
Mr. Fat.
Mr. Fat lived in a lake with his friends. Mr. Fat was the leader of the frogs. He was very kind and liked to entertain his friend. One bright morning, Mr. Fat invited his friend to look for food.
Come on friends, let's go find food. We need a lot of energy today,
said Mr. Fat. Then the little frog answered, I don't want to come with you for Mr. Fat. I want to play here first.
Okay, but be careful, don't play too far.
Mr. Fat and the other frogs left while the little frog remained on the edge of the lake jumped around. It's so fun jump around here. Look, I can jump high. Suddenly, a big buffalo passed by the little frog who was about to take a boat and get a drink in the river. The little frog saw the buffalo and observed the buffalo from head to toe. Seeing the buffalo very large body, the little frog wanted to get closer, but he was afraid that the buffalo barked at him. Seeing that frog said, Wow, it's so big. I've never seen a critter this big before. Because he felt noticed by the little frog, the buffalo greeted the little frog while asking,
Hi little frog, why are you looking at me like that?
I am amazed. I want to be as big as you.
Thank you little frog, even though you're small, you can jump high. You can be happy with yourself.
You're right. Even though I'm small, I'm happy to be ugly to jump high. after a long time in the river, the buffalo left. Meanwhile, the little frog returned to the tank to meet these friends and wanted to tell what he saw everyone with enthusiasm. My friends, I saw a very big and amazing animal ever here. His friend was curious and asked the little frog, "What kind of animal did you see earlier, little frog?" While scratching his head, the little frog answered, "I don't know his name either. Even Mr. Frog is not as big as him." Hearing that answer, Mr. Frog, curious about what the little frog had told him, and immediately replied,
Really? How big is he?
The little frog answered while moving his hand to describe how big the buffalo was. "It's really big." Mr. Frog became even more curious, and he didn't want to be outdone. Therefore, Mr. Frog immediately inhaled as much air as possible and puffed up this body, while asking the little frog,
Is he this big?
"Wow, he's still not big enough, Mr. Frog." Hearing the answer from the little frog, Mr. Frog was even more unwilling to lose. He inflated himself even bigger. Seeing that Mr. Frog's body was already too big, the other frogs reminded Mr. Frog, "Enough, Mr. Frog!" But apparently Mr. Frog didn't want to listen to the advice of the other frogs. He kept inflating his body until it finally exploded. Bam! As a result, the frog couldn't move anymore and couldn't play normally. Friends, the story is finishing.
From the story above, in your opinion, why did the frog admire the buffalo?
Jadi teman-teman, dari cerita tadi, menurut kalian mengapa ya katak itu kagum sama kerbau?
Because the buffalo's body is very big.
Yes, that's right. Because the buffalo's body is very big. Friends, what happened when the frog inflated itself?
Teman-teman, apa yang terjadi ya ketika katak itu menggembungkan dirinya atau membesarkan perutnya itu?
Apa ya?
Apa ya? Mungkin ada teman-teman yang tadi mendengarkan cerita, pasti tahu apa ya?
Finally, the frog exploded.
Yes, the frog became very big but eventually exploded. Okay, friends, what can we learn from the story of the frog who admired the buffalo? Friends, from the fairy tale The Frog Who Admired the Buffalo, earlier remember friends, even though we are different, we have our own uniqueness. Learn to accept yourself as you are and be grateful for what you have. Here we are God's precious and special creations. Happiness does not depend on how big or small we are, but on how we accept and love ourselves.
Jadi teman-teman, dari cerita tadi begitu banyak pelajaran yang kita ambil. Yang terutama yaitu dari dongeng katak yang mengagumi tadi, bahwa ingat ya teman-teman, Meskipun kita berbeda, tetapi kita tuh punya keunikan masing-masing. Belajarlah untuk menerima diri apa adanya dan mensyukuri apa yang kita punya. Di sini kita adalah ciptaan Tuhan yang berharga dan istimewa. Kebahagiaan itu tidak tergantung pada seberapa besarnya dan atau kecilnya kita, tetapi pada cara kita menerima dan mencintai diri sendiri. Oke teman-teman, see you